Welcome to Bowman tutorial. So remember in our previous tutorial video, I taught you guys how you can be able to install the Python programming language. Now I'm about to teach you guys how you can be able to install the IDE, that is the integrated development environment. So the one we're going to use is Pycharm. So how you can be able to install Pycharm on your computer, that you can be able to write your Python programming language. So the first thing, you can come to Pycharm download. So you can go to your Google or your Chrome browser and just Python or Pycharm download, and you can be able to download this. So for example, I can just come here, I can click on this. So when I click on this, it will carry me to the official downloading area on Python. So they have two version of Python. So they have the professional one, which of course is not free. You have to buy it. And also we don't have money, so we have to download the community version. So you get, as you can see this is the IDE, integrated development environment for Python. So this is the community one, this is free. And you can be able to download it and you can be able to work. But I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download. So the only thing, you just come here, just click download and it will download. So I come to my file explorer and I can come here to Python community. So I can just double click on this and you look, it will start to install. So let's just wait a little bit and you can be able to see installation going on. All right. Okay, so you see, so it's setting it up. So I can come and minimize this. So they ask me, so I can come here, just say yes. Do you want for it to make changes? And now I can just come here and say, and say next. I don't want to change the location of this, so I can just use the default location and I can just say yes. So what I can do, I can just click that, say add this one folder. So I click this one, and also I can click on this Python community or edition. So I can click on this one. So I can be able to click on that, and yeah, so I can also click on this one if I want to. Our open folder project as something. So if I can click on this, it's not really full, but for you to click on this one, but this one that say Python community edition and add bin folder to the path, you have to be, you have to click on this. But the other rest, you can, if you want to, you can leave it. So I'll just come here like this, and I say next, and I can say install. So now my Pycharm is installing. As you can see, automatically create a shortcut for me on my desktop. So we just have to wait a little bit as it installs. So what I will do, I will pause this video as it installing. When it's through, then we can continue. So as you can see, this is our Pycharm community edition. It's being installed, so it will soon be finished. So we can be able to have our integrated development environment. So our integrated development environment set up. So I could just say finish. I will just click on this. So now it created a shortcut here. So we can come here like this and just click on this. So our Pycharm shortcut will open. So we just have to wait a little bit as it opened. So okay, so you're seeing this is opening. So we just have to wait a little bit. Our Pycharm is opening. So long we have this, we don't have to use the RDEL, or we don't have to use our command prompt to run our Python code. So we just have to wait as it open. Okay, so the apps, these are all the agreements So we just come here. These are the agreement we have to agree to before they allow to continue to use it. So we can always click on there, we say continue. And they want to stay, they're asking whether, we can be able to send information or they can take our data. So say don't send. So if we click on that, okay, so we come back here like this and wait, so our project is already here. So this is our Pycharm. So we can come here like this, say new project. We click on new project and we can give our project name if we want to. So it's a Python project. Create a welcome script. So we can say create. So preparing our project for us. So we just have to wait a little bit. It's so sweet. So to install Python is not something very difficult now. So just watching the tutorial video, I'll show you guys can be able to install your Python. You can be able to install Python. Now you can be able to install Pycharm. So just wait a little bit as I prepare it for us. Yeah. So as you can see, I have already finished creating our Python project. As you can see, so now what we can do is we can be able to develop our first Python file. So you can come here, you can right click, you can come here. So we can come here and we say new. So we can come here, we say new Python file. So you can come here, click on new Python file. You just put a Python file there. So let's say, for example, I can say Burma. I can say Burma dot the extension is py now. So yep. So I can say Burma dot py and okay. So my new Python file have been created. So you can see Burma dot py. So I can just come here and next thing I can do is just to see we still use the print function and put this there, put it, oh sorry, so we can put the parenthesis and put our inverter command. We can say welcome to our Python class. So we can say welcome to our Python class. So now you see this print button that is here. This is for us to run our code. So we can just click on this and it will be able to run this for us. So you see, welcome to Burma. Welcome to our Python class. So we can see it here now. So we can also come here too, and we can be able to enter, and we can say this one, we can say print. The print function is one of the most powerful function in Python. So remember that. So print help us to see the output of what we want to be printed in our output. So let's say, for example, we can come back here like this, and I want to add numbers. So I can say 23 plus another 45. And I can come back here like this. So I can run my code. So, okay, so you see, when I run my code, you see 68. So this is how we can be able to use the Pycharm. But before we use Pycharm, we should make sure that we have already installed the Python programming language on our computer. Thank you for watching. This is Burma Tutorial. I encourage you please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The next one is I'm going to teach you how you can be able to use Visual Studio Code to be able to run your Python programming language. Thank you for watching. This is Burma Tutorial.